Now welcome all of you in lecture 5th of exercise 6.2. So already we discussed first exercise 6.1. In 6.1 we discussed generally linear pair of angles, linear pair axiom, vertically opposite angle. Now in this exercise we are having three basic points. First point, transversal. This word should be clear to you, transversal. Actually, transversal is that line which intersect different line at different points. यदि अलग अलग लाइंस हैं, उन अलग अलग लाइंस को कोई लाइन अलग अलग पॉइंट पे कट करे तो उसको हम कहते हैं ट्रांसवर्सल. फॉर एग्जांपल, वी आर हैविंग टू लाइंस. Now this line intersecting these two lines at two different point, it means this is transversal. In the same way you see here, these two lines, this line intersect these two lines at different points, so this is also transversal. In transversal, line may be parallel or line may not be parallel. It is not the condition for transversal that line should be parallel. If they are not parallel, then also line can be transversal. If you see here, we are having three lines. This is first line, this is second line, this is third line. Now these three lines are intersected by line L at only 2 points. This is first point, this is second point. So this is not transversal. Again I am revising the definition. Transversal is that line which intersecting different line at different point. जितनी लाइन होंगी उतने ही अलग अलग पॉइंट पे यदि कोई लाइन कट करे तो वो ट्रांसवर्सल है, नहीं तो वो ट्रांसवर्सल नहीं है. टू लाइंस, 2 पॉइंट, ट्रांसवर्सल. टू लाइन, 2 पॉइंट, ट्रांसवर्सल. थ्री लाइन बट ओनली 2 पॉइंट, it means this is not transversal. So for transversal, line may be parallel, may not be parallel. Second, parallel lines. Now parallel lines, those lines which never intersect each other by extended in any direction are called the parallel lines. दो लाइन, हम लाइनों को कितने भी आगे बढ़ा लें, यदि ये कहीं भी कट ना करें तो इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, parallel lines. So these two definitions should be clear in your mind before starting the question of this exercise. And previous result of 6.1 also used in this exercise. Again I am revising. Transversal, if any line intersecting different line at different point, then it is called the transversal. Parallel lines, if lines never intersect each other, whether they are extended in any of the direction, then line called the parallel. Now we are having one more basic point. That is, now this is the third basic point. This will be used in near about all the question of second exercise. Heading is angles made by transversal on parallel lines. Suppose these two lines are parallel, line M, line L, and this is the transversal N. Then we want to find out the relation in different angles made by this transversal on these parallel lines. So let these four angles are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then these four angles 5, 6, 7, 8. So here the total number of angles are 8. Now lie here M parallel to N, M parallel to N, and L is transversal, L is transversal. Generally we are having the three result, but we are having some more result also based upon this figure, but generally we use this three result. First, corresponding angles. So corresponding angle 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8. अब इसकी कंडीशन क्या है, जैसे एंगल 1 है, एंगल 1 is above the line M and it is on left hand side of transversal. Here are two conditions. It is above the line M and on left hand side of transversal. So these two conditions are satisfied by angle 5th. So these two are corresponding angle, angle 1 equal to angle 5. In the same way 2 and 6, then 3 and 7, then 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So these, we are having four pairs of angle here. So these are called the corresponding angle. All these pairs of angles satisfy the two conditions. Now alternate interior angle. Now interior means which are inside these two lines. So we will left 1, 2 and 7, 8. Alternate means side should be different, but the angle should not with the other angle. Like 3 and 5, 6 and 4. So 3 and 5, 4 and 6, or 6 and 4, both are the same meaning. So these two angle also equal 3 and 5 first pair, 4 and 6 second pair. So for corresponding angle we are having 4 pair. For alternate interior angle we are having 2 pair. Now conjugative interior angle, again word is interior, but conjugative means on the same side of transversal. Like 3 and 6, 4 and 5. But these angles are not equal, their sum is 180. Again these angles are not equal, their sum is 180. If we discuss the case of corresponding angle, angles are equal. Alternating interior angle, angles are equal. But for conjugative interior angle, angles are not equal, their sum is 180. We are having two more result here also, like conjugative exterior angle. We use these angle very less, but in spite of this result is there, conjugative exterior. For this 1 and 7, 2 and 8. So we are having one more result of here, vertically opposite angle, already we discussed in first exercise. 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 5 and 7, 6 and 8. If you see here, then linear pair also can be applied. 1 plus 2, 180, 3 plus 4, 180, 5 plus 6, 180, 7 plus 8, 180. In the same way, 2 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 8, 6 plus 7. So from here, you can find so many results, but generally we use only these three results. So we are having three basic points. First, transversal. Second, parallel line. And third, angle made by transversal on parallel lines. So tomorrow we will start question of this exercise. Okay, thank you.